In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transition your e-commerce store from Wix to Shopify. We'll walk through exporting your product CSV file from Wix, importing it into Shopify, and then setting up your Shopify store, including syncing your payment options and shipping details. It's a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth transition. Let's get started with the first step, exporting your product CSV from Wix. Begin by logging into your Wix account and navigate to your store's dashboard. Once there, locate the Products section. It's important that all your inventory details are updated because these will be directly reflected in your CSV file. In the Products area, you'll want to find the Export function, which is usually located near the top of the page as an Export Products button. Click on this button and Wix will begin generating your product list in a CSV format. You might be asked which fields you'd like to include. For a comprehensive import, keep them all selected. Once the export is complete, save the CSV file to a location you'll remember on your computer. Moving on to importing this CSV into Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin area. Head straight to the Products section in the sidebar of your Shopify interface. At the upper right, you'll see an Import button. Click on it, then proceed by selecting the CSV file you just downloaded from Wix. Shopify will prompt you to review the data for completeness and accuracy. Make sure to check that all columns are aligned correctly and that the data itself appears intact. If errors pop up, Shopify will notify you, allowing you to make necessary adjustments before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, click the Start Import button. Depending on the size of your inventory, this might take a little time, so be patient. Now that your products are in Shopify, the next stage is setting up your store fully and ensuring everything functions smoothly. To begin with, navigate to Settings on the left-hand menu. Here you'll find various options that need configuring. First, focus on Payments. Click on Payments and choose your preferred payment providers. Follow the prompts to connect these services, ensuring your customers have a seamless checkout experience. Once payments are set, let's move to Shipping and Delivery. There, you'll define your shipping zones and rates. Consider factors like where you ship to the most and typical shipping costs, and input this data accordingly. Shopify also offers carrier-calculated shipping rates, which you might want to explore if you have complex shipping needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently relocate your e-commerce operations from Wix to Shopify.